For the following exercise, we're going to start with our feet about shoulder width apart. You can put them wider if you need to create more stability. And then we're going to grip the kettlebell in one hand. What we're going to do here is we're going to swing the kettlebell out to the side, just give us a bit of momentum. Then we're going to rotate, take the kettlebell up to shoulder height, pivot on the opposite foot, and then rhythmically move side to side, controlling the kettlebell with the momentum of the kettlebell. And you're going to repeat that for the allocated number of repetitions. So this is what it looks like. You start at the top, unlock those knees and hips just a little bit, and then to create that momentum, we let the kettlebell swing out to the side, opposite way, and then once you've got it up there once, you don't really have to do too much. The momentum will do the work. You've just got to control the kettlebell. Pivot on your feet.